lecture, we have completed Rajasthani School, Origin and Development, Maru Ragini A and B part, and Raja Niruddha Singh Hira. In our today's lecture, we have its character 6 points. Rajasthani School, character 6 points. First point is that color scheme. In Rajasthani school, school means style. They adopted that styles. We are talking about only style, color schemes. Color schemes, the use of different color to express different thought is very clear in this style. Mostly bright glowing colors are used in deep harmonious contrast. It means they are used only primary color. Primary color means red, yellow and blue color. Red color is used only for anger, passion, and yellow color, marvelous, and blue color is royal splendor. They are used only primary color, red, yellow, and blue. Like brown color is also used. They all the color are used without any mixing of color. In some painting, golden and silver color are used. Golden and silver color only for jewelry. Only for jewelry, they are used only golden and silver color. In some paintings, flat color are used. Flat colors means single color. Background can be seen with contrasting color in figure, which adds charm to entire painting. They are used only primary color, red, yellow, and blue color, and they are used flat color also. Flat means single color used. Next point is that depiction of nature and landscape. डिपिक्शन ऑफ नेचर एंड लैंडस्केप, यानी कि इनके बारे में बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से गहराई से एक्सप्लेन करना, इनके बारे में बताना. नेचर हैज बीन ब्यूटीफुली डिपिक्टेड इन राजस्थानी पेंटिंग. ट्रीज आर ornamental, flowers have been drawn in bunches, mountains, water springs and lakes have been successfully depicted the beauty of nature. Landscape have been beautifully painted in different seasons like Barah Masa. For example, Barah Masa, painting of Barah Masa or the monthly festives of the year is depicted. Next point is that depiction of women. Depiction of women. Only Kishangarh painting. The women are depicted. The Radha of Kishangarh or Banithani. Radha Banithani is world famous painting of Rajasthan. A postal stamp was also issued by the Indian government based on this painting. Women in this painting have lotus eyes. Lotus eyes means खंजन पक्षी के बारे में बेटा आपने सुना होगा. खंजन पक्षी जो अपनी आंखों के लिए बहुत फेमस है, उसकी आंखें सबसे सुंदर आंखें मानी जाती हैं. और जो किशनगढ़ की जितनी भी पेंटिंग्स हैं उनमें जो आईज शो की गई हैं वो खंजन पक्षी के साथ उसको कंपेयर किया गया है, यानी कि वो इतनी सुंदर होती थी, उनकी तुलना उसके साथ की जाती थी. एंड द other points is that faces and neck are long with high sloping forehead, long pointed nose, well cut lips. All things are very beautiful. This point is that women in this painting have lotus eyes, flowing tresses, slender waist and rosy hands. These are the points of depiction of women. And next point is that faces and expressions. Faces and expression is that human faces are shown from different angles. Mostly faces are profile, like side pose. Side pose means half just, dead just. We can use these words, just word. Side poses, feminine charm is depicted in different modes and modes. Next point is symbolic painting. Symbolic painting. Radha and Krishna have been beautifully painted in all schools of Rajasthan. The love between them, the love between them, like soul and God, like soul and God love, representing the union of human soul with God. Traditional art was inspired from Indian epics. Indian epics means हिंदू देवी देवता जो होते हैं उनके साथ तुलना की गई है. डिवोशनल पोएट्री, भक्ति सागर, रोमांटिक सीन्स या रोमांटिक पोएट्रीज, रीति काव्य एंड इंडियन म्यूजिक, सभी जो भी पॉइंट्स इसमें दिए गए हैं, यानी कि उस टाइम में जो चीजें प्रसिद्ध थी, जो चीजें बहुत फेमस हुआ करती थी, हर चीज को अपने थीम में आर्टिस्ट ने उठाया है और उन पर अपनी पेंटिंग्स बनाई है. लाइनर ब्यूटी. लाइनर ब्यूटी यानी कि कोई भी जब पेंटिंग होती है उसकी ब्यूटी को कैसे शो किया उन्होंने, कौन सी लाइंस को के साथ अपनी उस पेंटिंग को बहुत अधिक अच्छा बनाया, बहुत सुंदर बनाया. रिदमिक, bold and graceful lines have been used in some schools of Rajasthan. The thin lines are full of softness in painting. यानी कि जितनी अगर उनको अपनी पेंटिंग में जो भी सॉफ्टनेस शो करनी थी या एक बहुत हाईलाइट ढंग से किसी भी चीज को शो करना था तो उन्होंने ग्रेसफुल लाइंस के ढंग से, लाइनर ब्यूटी के ढंग से अपनी उस चीज को शो किया. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज थीम. थीम. Religious themes based on Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita have been beautifully painted. Diverse themes like social, court hunting, Nayak Bheda, season of Baramasa, Rag Ragini, etc. are the other popular subjects for painting. We can also expand this point given by three different names. Like, first point is that religious painting, second is literary painting, and third is general. In religious painting like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Radha Krishna, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Puran, etc. If we talk about literary painting, in literary painting, other than the above subject inspired from Indian epics, devotional poetry, romantic poetry, and Indian music, we also their names Bhakti Sagar, Riti Kavya, Geet Govind, Sur Sagar, Ragmala, Rasik Priya. All these themes are literary themes. Next point is general. General means court scene, battle scenes, portrait, night scenes. We can explain these points in different manners. Okay, these are the general themes. It means diverse submatter is that religious painting, literary painting, and general painting. Next point is also there literary painting. In literature, Geet Govind, Bhagavad Puran, Ragmala, Rag Raginis have been beautifully painted in Rajasthani School of Art. Next point is that effect of folk art. फोक आर्ट यानी कि जो भारत में हमारे जो गांव से रिलेटेड जो गीत होते हैं उनसे रिलेटेड भी बहुत सारे ऐसी बहुत सारी उसमें आर्टिस्ट ने थीम उठाकर अपनी पिक्चर बनाई है जिनके ऊपर यानी कि फोक आर्ट का बहुत अधिक प्रभाव माना जाता है. फोक आर्ट इज प्रोमिनेंट इन राजस्थानी पेंटिंग. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज नाइट सीन्स. नाइट सीन्स are painted in black and smoke gray color. Moon and stars have been painted in white color. Next point is customs. Customs, garments. We can also explain this point in other manner, ornaments and garments. Custom means ornaments and garments. Garments are highly decorative. Ladies have been shown wearing lehenga and choli with transparent chunni, and male have been shown wearing loose fitting garments, embroidered patka and turbans, pajama and Rajput style. Patka is also there. We can explain this point. Garment is great variety, are highly decorative. Ladies have been shown wearing lehenga and choli, transparent chunni. Male have been shown wearing high turban and jhaba. Pajama and Rajput style patka is also there. It is the main points of customs points, and it means garments and their ornaments. Next point is large painting. In large painting, in comparison to other painting of Rajasthan, the Kishangarh painting are larger in size, known as Pishwai. Pishwai means back curtain. Back curtain. These these were used at the back in place. In Bikaner, Kota, Bundi, in Bundi school, we find both miniature and wall paintings. Next point is hunting and gathering scene. Hunting and gathering scene. Gathering means crowded scene. Like in some painting, Govardhan Darshan, Krishna lifting Mount Govardhan, men, women, and animals have been painted in large numbers. In hunting scenes, the depiction of animals, birds being hunted have done as the effects of Mughal school of art. And next point is festivals. Festivals have been painted in a beautiful style in all over Rajasthan. We can explain another point like architecture, large paintings, night scenes, effect of folk art, and Mughal influence also. These are the main characteristics points of Rajasthani school of miniature paintings. There are some silent features of Rajasthani school of miniature painting. First is that diversity in theme. Scene of any activity related to religion, social, court hunting, Nayak Nayika, Veda, season, Baramasa, Rag Ragini, etc. Next point is that the power and rhythmic line of this school from the old traditional Indian art. Third point is that glowing colors in deep harmonious contrast. And fourth is variety of customs of male and female of Rajasthan region. Fifth point is inspired from the Indian epic, devotional poetry, Bhakti Sagar, romantic poetry, Riti Kavya, and Indian music. Sixth point is that human faces are shown from different angles, like side face, ek chasm, half chasm, dead chasm. Female figure are frequently painted. Most faces are profile, it means side poles. Classification of feminine charm in different modes and moods. Some large painting and wall painting are only Kishangarh, Kota, Bundi, and Bikaner. These are the all characteristics points of Rajasthani school of miniature paintings. You can learn all these points and write in your spare notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.